This is a huge 1:100 scale Airbus A350 model, and today I will be adding a livery and antenna details to it. I will show you every step I took to add this nice Air France livery, and if this video hits 500 likes, I will build a diorama airport around this aircraft model. Let's get started. I will add the livery with decals, which I bought on a web shop, link in the description. The waterslide decals are really good looking, nice colors and good quality. And I will be sticking them on this 3D printed Airbus A350 1000 model that I got from the webshop of Val Forest Models. He offers a bunch of 3D printed aircraft models in huge 1:100 scale for very affordable prices. The tools I'm going to use today are very basic: scissors, a bowl with water and cotton swabs. And the process is simple. All of the decals are labeled so you know where on the aircraft you should put them. Then I cut out the decal that I'm going to stick on the aircraft. Here is the registration, which will stick on the bottom of the left wing. Using a pair of tweezers, I dip the decal in the water for about 15 seconds. And then the text slides off easily and you can stick it on the aircraft surface. The decal will then dry for a couple of hours and then securely sticks to the surface. This process I repeated for all the decals on the aircraft. This was my first time sticking decals, so if I did anything wrong, please let me know in the comments and don't fire me. And like so, the wing is done. Next I cut out all of the parts that should go onto the fuselage. The fuselage can open and you can see the interior of the cabin. But that means that we have some issues with sticking the decals on there. Meaning I need to cut decals into multiple parts. Like here I had to cut off the A. And I also had to cut the red logo. And like so, half of the fuselage is already done and it looks lovely. Next up is the tail section, where we add these iconic Air France colors. And now that the tail is also done, all of the decals are applied to the model. But we're not done yet, let's add even more details. Unmissable on any aircraft are antennas. I designed this antenna myself and 3D printed them. And they are really tiny, also compared to my fingertip. Using some plastic glue, I applied the antennas on top and on the bottom of the fuselage. And now with the antennas also added, it's time to put the model together. And like so, the model is done, completed, and the Air France livery and the antennas are added. The result is lovely, and adding the decals wasn't hard at all. It did take some time and patience, but in the end it paid off with this beautiful A350 Air France livery. And like I said, if this video hits 500 likes, I will build a huge diorama around this aircraft model. All the links to where I got this model from and where I got the decals from you can find in the description of this video. For now, thanks for watching, please consider to like and subscribe, and then I will see you in the next video.